compliance to local, national, and international
Masyadong
statutory
masilaw.
and regulatory requirements. The institution is in full commitment that every customer receives the highest quality service that exceeds their expectations. In so doing, the management shall continuously monitor, review, and improve the system and processes of the college by maintaining a comprehensive and effective quality management system with reference to the standards and requirements of ISO 9001-2015.
Please be seated. To our distinguished guests, former mayor and congressman, now the president of Cebu State College Alumni Association, Honorable Hussein Q. Amin. To the Socotec auditors, Mr. Erwin F. Quinto, Mr. Melvin Gureso, and Mr. Eugene Herradura. Cebu State College President, Professor Charisma Butagang Sese, SSC College official.